Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how to install Visual Studio Code in your system. To install Visual Studio Code, you can simply go to google.com and type VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Let's do this. Click on the very first link and here click download for Windows. The download will start automatically. In case it does not start, simply click here. Let's wait for a while. So the download has started. Simply click here to open the file. Accept the agreement. Click next. You can change the location of installation, but I'll keep it to default. Next. Make sure to check these options and install. Now you can see the installation is done and you can simply click on finish. It will launch the Visual Studio Code automatically. Just close this. Now wherever you want to use the Visual Studio Code, you can simply go to your desktop and you will see this icon. You can simply click on it like this. It will open the Visual Studio Code. I'll show you one more way. Let's say you have a folder, for example this one, test. Inside this folder you can right click and you will get this option, open with code. Just click on it and it will open this folder in VS Code and you will see the folder name at the top like this. So these are the two ways which I generally use to open the VS Code. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.